we celebrate the proudest moment of our storied past, the Philippine independence. It is a great pleasure for me to host this very important occasion with the members of the Diplomatic Corps. 126 years on, since the Philippine flag was first unfurled in 1898 to let flutter in the fresh breeze of freedom, the flame of Filipino nationalism that sustained our ancestors in their quest for freedom remains lit in the beating heart of the Filipino nation to this very day. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to ask you to join me in a toast and raise a glass to stronger bilateral ties between our countries and deepening linkages between our peoples in the many years ahead. Here's to all of your good health, long life, and prosperity. Cheers.
At sa ating paggunita, muli nating bigyang pugay ang diwa ng araw na ito, ang pagkakaroon ng isang malaya at nagkakaisang bayan. Ipakita natin sa buong daigdig na ang tunay na kapangyarihan ay hindi nasusukat sa lakas o sa yaman, kung hindi sa tunay na kahulugan at katwiran ng ating ipinaglalaban, sa alab ng pag-ibig sa bayan at sa di matatawarang pagkakaisa ng ating mga mamamayan. Mananatili tayong matatag at hindi tayo matitinag.